Hey guys, it's Bree and Kayla. Today we are going to do a simple eye look using only 3 colors, guys. And you can wear this, going to work, going out, or just an everyday go-to look. So stay tuned, and we will show you. We're gonna do a simple, cute eye look that you can wear every day. You can even wear it going out to the movies, to work or whatever. You just want to glam your eyes up a little bit. This is going to be a cute little look, simple look. I'm going to start off with the Amber Blaze from Mary Kay. This is such a beautiful color, guys. It is gold and it goes well with anything. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait. Yes. So I'm going to use the Amber Blaze and do this is the base. So you don't need a lot, guys. And we already have primer on her eyes, which is going to pop the eyeshadow out. You see how beautiful this is on her skin, guys? Oh, yes, girl, yes. So, yes, I'm going to use this as the base. And I'm going to do the whole eye. And when I get to the top of the eyebrow, I'm just going to pat it just a little bit because we don't want too much under the eye because we're going to use a highlight to highlight that part. So, yes. And this is a cute color that everyday wear, going out, whatever you want to do. And when I apply eyeshadow, I like to, you see I'm stroking kind of up. I don't like to stroke just like that because the eyeshadow's not really going anywhere, it's just going in one spot. So I like to stroke up so all the product can go on the eye and it won't be just stuck in one spot. Because remember, we use primer and concealer, and when you stroke it just like that, it usually stays in one place. So you want it to be everywhere if you're using it as a base. And remember, guys, blending is the key. It is always the key. It will save your life. So I'm just going to go up just a little bit. All right. Next we have the Mineral Cheek Color Duo. And guys, you can use makeup pretty much for everything. Like, this is supposed to be for your cheeks, but look at that color. I'm going to use that for her eyes, for the crease. And I just think this brings out just a little pop to your eyes. Like I said, if you want to just, add a little extraness. I love extraness, so just add that to the crease. Yes, that's my makeup word, y'all, extraness. So we're going to add this to the crease, and it will give her eyes a little pop. And mind you, we don't need a lot. We just need just a little dab to, like, just get the excess off because we don't want too much on there, like I said. So I'm going to use this as a crease. Like that. And she has the perfect eyes for this look, guys. It's kind of like a cut crease, what I'm kind of doing, but not so defined. Big eyes, so it's easier to find her crease. If you have smaller eyes, you kind of want to start just a little bit higher up. And these colors just go really good together. Gold really goes good with anything. Mind you. Tapping. Look, honestly, because it's just so simple. And I only use 3 colors when I'm doing my eyeshadow. But it looks like I used a lot when I really did. So we have the Cinnabar. And this is a cute little brown color. It's not too dark and not too light. Kind of perfect shade, really, honestly. We're going to apply this on the edge of the eye, All right. Ooh, yes. And even if you guys just wanted to just do that and just put some eyeliner on, that is still a cute, simple look. It's only 2 shades, versus this. It just gives a little a little super cute little extraness, y'all. Extraness. That's gonna be that's my go-to word. Extraness. Because I'm extra. So you just apply it on the corner of the eye. You don't need too much. Just a little bit. So then, like I said, it's kind of like a smoky eye a little bit too. Eye. So not halfway, but just a little bit. That makes sense. Finer. And I'm just going to blend the whole eye. Blend the whole eye. Now, you don't want to press too hard because you don't want to mess up the colors. Just want to blend it out just a little bit. So I'm barely brushing her eye. I just want to get it all blended together. And I usually start from the top of the eye and then work my way down. And that is from Mary Kay, y'all. And it's like a pin. So, I'll show you guys.
A felt tip.
Yes, a felt tip. And these actually, these are my favorite to use because it's like I said, it's like a pen and you just draw it on. Now you do have to go over it a couple times just because if you want like a dark look with the eyeliner, you just gotta go over it a couple times. But yeah, eyeliner is something that it definitely takes practice. You're not going to get it right then and there the first time. It takes a lot of practice. And like I barely. Hey, let me see. Look at me real fast. Mascara black. The ultimate. Ultimate. And yep, I'm just using this just to clean it out or brush it out just a little bit. Have the eyelashes somewhat together so it'll be easier to put the lashes on.